Nyanya koromga juang chendo enda til wadhi mbele gi weche manyien. Riwruok mar Lakteche mar KMPDU bade ma Nairobi kawuono ochungo ng'anyo margi kuom ndalo marom 30 mabiro tok doho golo chik ne lakteche go mag kaunti mondo odogie tich. Ng'anyono osebedo kuom ndalo 45 ka ywak gi en chopo kare winjruok kata CBA loso lwasi mar thieth e kind mamoko.
Reasons of being on strike for 45 days, there were initially 8, but they have narrowed down. We are complaining about this comprehensive cover. We don't have a working comprehensive cover. They have forced us to take SHA. SHA is not working at all.
Not for anyone.
Members are suffering. The Nairobi County employees are suffering, not only doctors. Everyone, we are suffering. SHA is not working. And we are still saying SHA is not working at all. And imekata kabisa, no matter how they are forcing it, imekata.
It can't work.
The next thing we are complaining about, doctors have not been promoted for the last 5 years.
That's 8.
The last time we've been promoted was during the previous government. But since the current government, we have not been promoted. We are here, we are waiting. We have told our members that we are suspending this strike for the next 30 days so that we abide. So that we abide by the court orders. Then, 30 days, this county, they are funny people. 45 days lapsed, just like that. So they actually, exactly, so they think that the 30 days will not lapse. 30 days will lapse. We are going to go back to work. As leaders, we'll still follow up with the county.
The good thing is, Nairobians, the court has been very clear. Suspend the strike and finalize on the return to work formula. We have suspended our strike. They need to finalize on the return to work formula. They have 19 days to do that.